When Bridwey approached us, they were already leaders in precision engineering, supplying critical components for industries such as automotive, defence and aerospace. But their marketing wasn't really keeping up. It didn't really reflect the true scale and expertise of their organisation.
We worked really closely with the Bridwey team, and this enabled us to find out what makes them unique and what makes them stand out. From this information, we were able to create a marketing plan that really showcased their capabilities.
We started with high quality videos and photos to capture their advanced CNC machining and the precision behind their work.
The next step was to create the new website. This was to make it more visually appealing, but also improve the functionality.
SEO was also a key focus, ensuring prospects and clients could find them for industry-specific terms whenever they needed to.
We also refined their social media. This included creating new content that was engaging for their target audience and positioned them as a key player in their industry.
We took over their Google Ads around 4 years ago, setting up highly targeted PPC campaigns, ensuring that they reached the right audience and prospects. Over time, we streamlined the PPC campaign with precise keyword selection, budget optimization, and audience targeting. We tried to stretch every penny so that no budget was wasted throughout their campaign from start to finish. The results really speak for themselves. Through the marketing, they gain better visibility, more engagement, and a brand presence that really highlights and reflects their true capabilities.
Working on the Bridwey project was a great experience, and we're really excited to see how things progress.